Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, I'm showing you how to use any Bluetooth headset on your Xbox One, and let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so as you know, a lot of people have been searching up on YouTube and Reddit and stuff, trying to find out how to use a Bluetooth headset on Xbox One. The short answer to this is you can't. Xbox does not want you to do this. However, there is a workaround which I discovered on Reddit. So you basically can use your Bluetooth headset as well as any wired headset. As you need a adapter. Let me just show you real quick. You need an adapter to plug into the bottom of your Xbox controller, and if you don't have that, you basically are stuck with using a proprietary headset that Xbox provides, and that can be a pain. Also, these adapters are really expensive. I think they're like $30+ on Amazon, so that's out of the picture. So basically, what you're going to need for this is a PC. I know a lot of you aren't going to have a PC that's running Windows 10, but I'm sorry, you're going to have to need a PC running Windows 10 with the Xbox application installed for this. So let's jump right into step 2. Okay, so guys, the next step is to go on your PC, Windows 10, and install this Xbox app. You want to just click on that. And make sure you have your Xbox on in the background. As you can see, or am I on? You have to have your Xbox One on at the same time in order for you to do this. So it's going to be the Xbox One or Xbox app interface. You're going to want to make your way down over here. You guys can see that. Focus. See that? This is connection. I'll click on that. Let's see. Okay, so then as you can see here, it's going to be a couple options here. You can do test stream, but the main thing you're going to want to look at is the stream button. Just click on that. I have a touch screen, so it works. As you can see, it's going to be streaming your Xbox One, and this is really cool. Let me just focus this. There we go. It's basically going to be streaming your Xbox One onto your PC. This is my laptop right here, and this is my monitor in the background. So basically, it's streaming your Xbox One to your PC. And the thing with this is, with any Windows 10 PC, you can use a Bluetooth headset just by going into settings and adding the headset yourself. And also, if you have a wired headset, you can just plug it in, like I have mine plugged in right here. And this is helpful because right now I don't have the Xbox adapter for the controller, so I'm just plugging this into my PC to get game audio as well as have the ability to speak through the mic. So it's really helpful, and as you can see, it's picking up my microphone right there. Basically what you have to do is just go into your settings, add your Bluetooth headset on your Windows 10 PC. It's pretty simple to do. Just go to Bluetooth settings and turn your headset into pairing mode. It'll pop up, click connect, and therefore you'll be able to use your headset, and if it has a built-in mic, you'll be able to use that too. This has been a pretty simple tutorial. Xbox doesn't want you using a Bluetooth headset, but this is a easy workaround if you have a Windows 10 PC. That's basically it, guys. If you have any more Xbox questions that you want to ask me, any more tutorials you want me to make on Xbox, just let me know in the comments. Also, if you guys turn notifications on to get notified exactly when I upload, I will be featuring you on one of my videos. Basically give you a quick shout out. Just turn notifications on and let me know you did so with a comment down below, and could be featured to get a shout out. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications to receive a shout out, and leave a like on this video, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.